last time, maybe our last episode where they just that say, Cardi B call, Cardi B what thing. Another better story on Instagram though. Now still the boy with this now. Only tongue. Now just see with this. Today, now yeah better story. Because I want to focus on Yahoo. Because not be the Yahoo that thing, but now the Yahoo of Yahoo. One guy. He go born his wife. No, his girlfriend. It's as in, they say the girl they shit on her. So as in you know say the girl they shit on her. So he come on the girl. For public, pour petrol to the girl body. Lighter. Not even if na lighter now. You know, one day one lighter, one day one matches. Now the matches so he don't see the matches. Don't light the girl be born. Now what you me pass must say this Yahoo boy with them cash. The girl see the one corner sit down naked. Sit down all the body don't pay come out. And the Yahoo boy they call the question now. Then you come in at the video. Meanwhile the girl they die they go. At the end of the day she don't die. But Mark can't explain something to give you now. Because this Yahoo thing what they do. They shop Yahoo guy money. They shop and they go. Meanwhile get one guy answer what you like. Meanwhile the guy wake up like a Kasha with her. Two of them call Natasha Combos. Marcos now what happen. Because person wey dey suffer this thing pass. This Yahoo thing you get spirits. Who dey Yahoo no dey suffer. Now who dey help Yahoo shop money? Those are the people we call what? Who they shop? Who they do Yahoo now waiting? Now Yahoo. Okay. Who they shop Yahoo money now waiting? Now Yahooists. Now the Yahooist is the girl. I mean the Yahoo is the man. So Yahoo are who the Yahoo. They're not getting it. Let me explain to you. Let me pick your pen and paper. The person that does Yahoo is a Yahoo. Okay? Now, the person that helps Yahoo to spend the money, that is partaker of Yahoo money, is the Yahooists. Then the person that helps the person to spend the money is what? They say the Yahoo. So you see what I'm talking about? It's all about Yahoo. Now, this Yahoo thing will be top. See, honest money better. Not this one where they say, we don't jam, but jam this one. Now, you get on jam. I should say for a mind. See, now, better boy. Say, man, this one will take care of me. See, Matana, he born now, set her ablaze. Real life, this one will be to you. This one will really happen. True. Now, they just now. This one will say, one fine guy, one he's flawless. The guy know they beat me. The guy clean. Small sample could run the day. I just say 1 or 2 times, he don't give her a small heads up, say, come on there. He say, that's how he talks to me. So then you say that, they'll say, why that guy they shout to you? They say, now like that, they show love. Now with shout, with slap, some now with conk, that they take some show love. I just say, whatever they get there now, go say, now with fire. If they take show love, fire, in a one country, give me plenty water. You see, waiting, love, wrong association don't do you now. They help your boy spend money, so they set you on fire. No man can even ask all this, Yahoo boy. No, say na only Yahoo you fit do. Even at age 82, say you be 82, they go still they call you Yahoo boy. That's the only job that at 120, what job are you doing? You say, I'm a Yahoo boy. Evergreen job. Okay, now, how you go call that in CV? Because normally if you finish school, you go to school, say, from 1992 to 1994, or let's say from 1992 to 2010, you work for a bank. You say, I was a banker from 1992 to 2010. No, let's we can do Yahoo from 1992 to 2010. How you go write the CV? I was a Yahoo from 1992 to 2010. At the age of 95, I retired. So he's a retired. He's a retired Yahoo. Oh God. So that's why we know I'm suspecting Fireboy. Yeah, I think he's a retired Yahoo boy. He can't let go of the boy. You know that's why. Yeah, I'm suspecting Joe Boy, another ex-Yahoo boy. I'm suspecting Charlie Boy, grandfather of Yahoo boy. I'm suspecting Warner Boy. Hello, Mama Yahoo. You see what I'm saying? See, as you have to be, one just be careful. called the moral of the story that say all this one we say hey, yahoo something the thing they get backfire and one of the backfire be this so don't be say you wan burn am. Na one of the people wey you do the guy can't curse. You know say if Obama curse you, Niger curse you, Africa curse you. You dey curse you because when they work in Niger curse you dey curse some no dey even work but if Oyinbo curse you they fit curse you January 1st 2001 the time wey you go work if they work with fire you know no when Oyinbo curse you oh God you're crazy you know say you sweet. So if they travel like this, if they travel, as the crazy meet you like this, na fire they turn to. So when they respect yourself, they know when they date. On this point of discussion, and on this note, I rest my case. When I wait for my next episode because better this full ground when I want myself. Now that's be this returning.